Everywhere you turn, it feels like robots are coming for your jobs. It's easy to get caught up in the fear, to imagine a future where algorithms replace human ingenuity, leaving us all scrambling for relevance. What if I told you, for digital marketers, this isn't a threat? What if AI isn't a pink slip waiting to happen, but a massive, undeniable promotion? In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to give you some fluffy reasons. I'm going to lay out 6 rock-solid, undeniable truths about why marketing isn't just AI-proof, but it's your absolute best shot at building serious financial freedom and a life you actually love right now. I'm talking about the kind of freedom where you get to call the shots, set your own hours, and dictate your own income. And I'm not just blowing smoke here. These aren't just theories. These are the exact ideas I've personally used to pull in 20 grand a month without ever stepping foot into a traditional marketing degree program. In fact, I never went to university at all. These principles have helped me drive a staggering $7.1 million in revenue for clients in the last 2 years. So stick with me, because by the time we get to reason number 4, it's going to flip that whole usual AI kills jobs narrative completely on its head. All right, so let's kick things off with reason number 1, which is that marketing, hands down, is the most remote capable career on the planet. If you think about it, what do we actually do? We research, we craft ad copy, we write emails, we analyze data, we build funnels. Every single one of these core functions breathes inside of your laptop. Your office isn't a cubicle. It's wherever you decide to open your screen. This isn't just about convenience, it's about unparalleled freedom and flexibility. Last year, for example, I packed up my life and moved from Montreal all the way across the country to the stunning landscapes of Vancouver. And guess what? The entire transition happened in less than 30 days flat. I didn't miss a single meeting, not a single deadline. In fact, my clients barely noticed that I'd changed time zones, let alone that I'd moved a third of the way across the planet. See, that's the power of a truly remote career. Now let's talk about the real impact that this has. For example, no longer having to commute every single day. For some people, that's 2 to 3 hours every single day, swallowed up by traffic or crowded public transport. Think of what you could do with all that extra reclaimed time. Not only the extra sleep, which is nice, but just the opportunity of what you could do with a fraction of that time. For example, if just some of it was used to get one extra client, you've effectively given yourself a 25% raise. And you don't have to travel for work. You don't need to ask for permission. You don't need to navigate corporate politics. It's a direct lever to a better lifestyle, more income, and ultimately more control over your own life. Moving on to reason 2, which is that the income ceiling in marketing simply doesn't exist. In most traditional corporate jobs, your salary is a locked box. You get your annual review, maybe a meager 3% raise if you're lucky, and if anything, it just barely matches inflation, and that's pretty much all you're getting for that year. Your income potential is dictated entirely by someone else's budget and someone else's rules. It's a fixed pie and your slice is predetermined. But in marketing, especially when you work for yourself or you're running a solo marketing agency, your pay isn't a fixed number. It's a multiplication problem. It's your retainer multiplied by your total number of clients. And that equals whatever number you want it to be. There's literally no cap. There's no gatekeeper telling you how much you're worth. Your earning potential is directly tied to the value that you provide to your clients. You want to earn more? You just need to get more clients and deliver more value. It's actually really simple and incredibly empowering. Now, this isn't just about getting paid more, it's about getting paid for your actual value instead of getting paid for how many hours you work. If you want to learn more about how exactly to start a solo marketing agency that generates between $10,000 to $30,000 a month, I just launched a 100% free school group where I have detailed courses on exactly what I've done and every secret I've learned. The group will be free until we reach 50 members. Then it's going to be $19 a month, then $29 a month, and then going up as we get more members. So if you're interested and want to lock in your price now, click the link in the description below. Reason number 3 builds directly onto the idea that we just talked about. You get paid for upside, not just for attendance. This is where marketing truly starts to feel like you're playing a different game entirely. So while most jobs offer a fixed salary, regardless of how well the company performs, in digital marketing, especially as you gain experience, a significant portion of your deals can include performance incentives. We're talking about a slice of the revenue growth you directly generate. Now imagine this. You take on a client whose brand is doing, say, $15,000 a month. You implement your strategies, you optimize their ad campaigns, you work your magic, and in 90 days, you help them skyrocket to $40,000 a month. Now, if your agreement includes a 15% cut of that lift, for example, the lift being the increase in revenue, that single bonus round can easily outpace every annual raise you've ever scraped together back in your retail days or any other traditional job. This isn't just an example, it's actually something I just did with one of my clients. It's genuinely like playing a video game. Instead of racking up points, every new milestone directly deposits cash into your bank account. It transforms your work from being a chore into a thrilling challenge where strategic thinking and execution directly translate into tangible financial rewards. For reason number 4, and this is an absolute big one, the one that AI simply cannot copy, replicate, or replace, is that you build an insane network of entrepreneurs. Think about the people you get to work with: founders, innovators, people who are building businesses, taking risks, and genuinely trying to change things. These aren't just clients, these are highly motivated, highly connected people. They own lists, they own thriving businesses, they command engaged audiences, and they control significant ad budgets. When you can actually help them achieve their goals, and most importantly, when you actually help them make more money, you're not just completing a task. You're building trust and you're building proof. And here's the magic. Deliver for one, and they won't just thank you, but they'll introduce you to 5 more. They'll connect you with their peers, their partners, their friends, those who are also already building incredible things. So your professional circle actually transforms into this perpetual conveyor belt of opportunities. Referrals end up becoming your primary source of new business, and that's something no robot, no algorithm, no ad platform, no matter how advanced or anything is, nothing can replicate that. Why? It's because people invest in other people they trust. They hire based on relationships, on proven results, on personal recommendations. AI can process data, but it can't build genuine rapport and connections. It can't understand the nuances of human connection, and it can't vouch for you in the same way a satisfied client can. Reason number 5 is something truly unique to this field. You get to learn business with other people's money. This is, in essence, the ultimate real-world MBA, but without the crippling debt and without outdated theories. Like, you're actually in there on the front lines learning and doing real marketing. Every single campaign you run for a client isn't just a project, it's a free case study funded entirely by someone else's capital. Think about the sheer volume of practical and actionable business lessons that you'll be absorbing. You get to split test different funnels, see in real time which approach converts and which one falls flat. You learn to make tough decisions, like when to kill an underperforming ad campaign before it drains the budget, and watch how all these changes directly impact the cash flow of a business. You're essentially running all these like mini experiments all the time and observing the intricate dance of supply and demand, psychology, economics, accounting, all without risking a single dime of your own capital. A traditional college curriculum, no matter how prestigious, simply can't replicate this kind of real-time lab environment dynamic. You're not just reading about business principles, you're actively applying them, iterating, and seeing the immediate consequences and successes of all your decisions. I can honestly say that 3 years of being deeply immersed in client projects, optimizing campaigns, and understanding different business models has taught me more about entrepreneurship than any MBA program could ever promise to and ever expect to. And without having any sort of debt whatsoever. It's a crazy education, making you a more well-rounded entrepreneur or just business professional overall, not just a marketer. Finally, reason number 6, and probably the most reassuring one, is that AI is the intern and you are the strategist. The fear that AI will replace marketers completely is a misunderstanding of what AI actually does and what true marketing entails. Yes, the algorithms are incredibly powerful. They can churn out first drafts of copy in seconds, analyze data sets, and automate repetitive tasks. But here's the crucial distinction. It doesn't, and likely won't for a very long time, possess the understanding of human psychology, culture, context, or genuine creativity that defines truly effective marketing. Humans still decide the angle, the emotional hook, the compelling offer, and the unique brand voice that resonates with an audience. These are strategic and really genuinely creative decisions that require empathy, intuition, and a deep understanding of human desire, qualities that are inherently human strengths. Now, what AI does brilliantly is free us from the grunt work. It allows modern marketers to serve 10 clients with the same effort that an old school agency might have used to serve 3. This isn't a threat, it's a force multiplier. More clients, more retainers, which as we discussed, means more freedom and more income. Let's just quickly recap everything that we've covered. So we're talking about remote freedom, allowing you to live and work on your terms. We're talking about uncapped income, where your earning potential is limited only by your drive and skill. You get paid for upside, incentivizing genuine impact and making your work feel like a thrilling game. You build an elite network of high-octane entrepreneurs, opening doors that no algorithm ever could. You get a real-world business education, learning with other people's money, and gaining invaluable experience. Lastly, and probably most importantly, you're going to be AI-proof. Marketing isn't just a career. It stacks every single one of these incredible advantages into one dynamic, future-proof profession. So stop dreading the future, stop worrying about the robots. It's time to stop waiting and start owning it. And if you're ready to take the next step, watch the next video on my channel here.